Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share a Bengali style mixed vegetables khichdi. I took 3/4 cup masoor dal and 1 cup rice. I took some mixed vegetables, some green peas, tomato, potato and cauliflower. In a kadai, pour 5 glass of water. After boiling the water, put soaked dal rice. I had soaked dal and rice for half an hour. Now add half a teaspoon turmeric powder and a spoonful of salt. Add salt as per your taste. Then add the mixed vegetables. I cut the mixed vegetables roughly in big size. For making this khichdi, never chop the vegetables in small size. Now add a spoonful of sugar. If you don't like sugar, you can skip sugar. Now I am going to put some chili. I took red chili. You can add green chili also. These chilies are not dried red chili, it's ripe chili. Now I will add 1 inch grated ginger. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes until dal, chawal and potato become soft. At last, quick stir evenly, otherwise it will stuck at bottom. So stir evenly. Mix well. Now I will prepare tempering. Take a small kadai. Pour 2 tablespoons cooking oil. When oil is hot, I will put 5 spices. 5 spices means cumin seed, mustard seed, fenugreek seed, fennel seed, onion seed mixed in equal proportion. Saute for 5 seconds, then add 3 dried red chili and some bay leaves, 3 to 4 bay leaves. Saute for 15 seconds until the tempering become fragrant. Then pour the tadka on khichdi. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Mix well. Our khichdi is ready for serving. It's a Bengali style khichdi. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.